Hello and welcome. Today I thought I would make a small but fun project. I'm working on very big projects right now, both renovation-wise and also out in the garden, so I needed something to make just for fun. I saw this idea a couple of years ago about turning straw hats into a straw witchy hat, and I can't remember where I saw it or who it was. So if anyone knows like the original creator of this idea, then just comment that please. So I've had this idea in the back of my head, like this would be a fun project to do. And then last week I was into a store that was having a sale and they had straw hats on sale. So I bought two, and they also had them in red, which I think is more my style. So I have two straw hats here that we are gonna turn into this whimsical, fantastic witch hat. So the first thing we need to do is to pick apart one of these hats, and I'm using one of these to do that. That took a little while, but now that we have one of our hats in shreds like this, we're gonna take our other hat and we're gonna grab a piece of paper or cardboard and we're gonna make the top. So we're just gonna make a little bit of a cone out of it, depending on how tall you want your hat to be. I want mine to be maybe just like this, just like a little bit of a cone shape, like this. So now I'm gonna cut this and I'm gonna glue it down, and then we are going to continue wrapping this around it. Now that we have our base, we're gonna start decorating. So this is completely dry. It came out a little bit higher than I thought it would. I think it is because this hat has a pretty wide base for the head. But we're just gonna roll with it. This is a fun project. It is nothing serious. And also, if you hear any sounds in the background, it is a tractor doing some work on a field just next door. Like, this is rural Sweden. We're gonna have tractors. It's the summer, so we're just gonna live with that. Now we're gonna decorate, and I have some ribbons here, and then I have some fake flowers. I have been through my stash and picked out all of the red ones that I have, and we're just gonna start decorating this. We're gonna begin with putting in a ribbon. Now we're gonna do the best part, which is decorating with the flowers. And I have some ferns here that I think I'm gonna start with, because I don't think there's anything better than ferns. And it feels also like a little bit on theme for this. So yeah, So that's where we're gonna start. And I have my rusty cutting thing. This was funny enough the only one that I could find, but yeah. Well, it's just gonna have to do. I'm not gonna spend hours looking for the other ones. I think that as soon as I'm done with this project, I'm gonna find the proper ones. But for now, I'm just gonna make do with this.